Now, usually I'd start reporting on Samsung's next smartwatch sometime in April next year, but some pretty interesting information has popped up on what we could expect from Samsung's next smartwatch, and it's certainly got my attention. So let's see what we know so far and see if we've actually got anything to look forward to. Stay tuned. Yo. What's up guys, welcome back to Take It Easy. Super quick video today. We're going to discuss what's potentially in store for us with the Galaxy Watch 5 or another future version of the Galaxy Watch. Before we do that though, if you could help me reach my goal of getting a silver play button, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Anyway, the reason that I say or a future Galaxy Watch is because Samsung have recently filed a patent for a new Galaxy Watch with a rather unique design. It has a slide out screen which can be activated with an outward pinch-like motion, and inside that screen houses a camera with a flash. Now this sliding motion is supposedly going to give you an extra 40% screen real estate, which is pretty mad compared to any other smartwatch on the market at the moment. Now this is particularly exciting as it's something we haven't really seen on a smartwatch yet. My concern here though is that it could be the foldable phone of the smartwatch market. Now in some ways that's no bad thing, I love my Fold 3. But I just have this feeling that the hype on foldables will die down rather quickly and be replaced with better, more efficient technology such as rollable phones for example. Now where this applies to the new Galaxy Watch is I'm concerned that it's going to come with a hefty price tag for what could largely be considered as a gimmick. Now I for one don't actually use my Galaxy Watch for taking calls all that often, and it does make me wonder whether any of you guys will actually get any use of having a camera on their smartwatch. Don't get me wrong though, it would be a cool feature, but then it brings on concerns over battery life. To accommodate this technology, Samsung will really need to make leaps and bounds on the battery life front. I can only imagine people's anger if we get another Galaxy Watch with just 24 hours of battery life. So although this design we can see in the patent is exciting and very much different, I'm not too sure on the practicality front. With all this in mind, is this what the Galaxy Watch 5 is going to look like? In my opinion, most likely not. For all the points that I just made, I feel like the technology just isn't there yet to make this work, and I feel like Samsung are going to need more than a year to get this thing working. So it's more than likely that this is actually going to be a future version, something that we see in 2 years and possibly even 3 years time. And I have no doubt that the design will be refined several times over before they come up with a final product. That all being said, it's certainly exciting to see Samsung breaking the boundaries of what we consider to be a smartwatch. And I am really excited to see what they have in store for us. It'll also be interesting to see whether or not this idea they have can be made into something usable and practical for the general public. So yeah, that was just a quick update on what could be next in line for Samsung's next Galaxy Watch. It might be the Galaxy Watch 5 or it could be a future version. Either way, do let me know down in the comment section what you think of this new design. Is it too over the top for you, or are you quite excited about seeing something different coming to the market? Again, before we go, a huge thank you to each and every one of you. I'm starting to recognize a lot of you returning to the comment section now. We're really getting a great community behind us, and it's really nice to see you all being really friendly and helpful to each other. If you are new here, do remember to hit the like button and subscribe on your way out to stay up to date with all future videos. For now though, I've been Alex, this has been Take It Easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.